tree to forest, O'Neill Trees and Timber offers environmentally conscious professional tree services. Since 2018, we have been supporting our clients with their forestry, tree surgery, arboriculture and sawmilling needs across Scotland's Central Belt, from our base in Falkirk. We are chainsaw environmentalists, catering to clients who require turnkey solutions from a contractor who cares about them, their trees and the environment. Determined to meet and exceed our clients' expectations, we craft bespoke tree management solutions to suit the individual needs of homeowners, businesses and the public sector. Safety is ingrained within everything we do. Safety pushes us to invest in our training, equipment and continual professional development. Fully trained, accredited and refreshed by MPTC, Lantra and NPORS. Aiming high, pushing boundaries and setting standards for tree work, O'Neill Trees and Timber is unwavering in our commitment to our clients, our environmental partners. Our business is built on forming long-term working relationships with our clients. We are trustworthy, reliable and diligent, but equally happy to have our work speak for itself. Complete your search for environmentally conscious tree care professionals by contacting us today.